freelancer's first tax compliance guide. So para ito sa mga freelancer, nakaka-register pa lang kay BIR. Syempre first time, hindi natin alam kailan ba ang pinakaunang tax compliance natin kay BIR. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Sa BIR Certificate of Registration natin, nakalagay yung registration date. Very important yon dahil doon nakabase kung kailan ang pinakaunang tax compliance natin. So ito guys, BIR registration date from January 1 to March 31. Ang pinakaunang tax compliance mo ay first quarter ITR. Start of filing April 1, deadline May 15. Sa mga nag-register naman ng April 1 to June 30, ang pinakaunang tax compliance mo ay second quarter ITR. Start of filing July 1, deadline August 15. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-register from July 1 to September 30, ang unang tax compliance mo ay third quarter ITR. Start of filing October 1, deadline November 15. Para naman sa mga magre-register ng October 1 to December 31, ang pinakaunang tax compliance mo ay annual income tax return na agad. Start of filing January 1 at ang deadline April 15. Ito actual example guys, registration date is July 16. So papasok siya ng third quarter. Dito na siya, start of filing niya October 1 at ang deadline niya ay November 15. So that's it guys, lagi nating tignan sa BIR Certificate of Registration natin ang ating registration date para alam natin kung kailan ang pinakaunang tax compliance natin. Let's make sure na laging kompleto ang tax filing natin, wala tayong makalimutang i-file para wala po tayong penalty. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.